Hey, it's me and special guest Freddie in the background giving herself a bath. I was trying to think about what tips to give you today for our 2018 Organizing with Elizabeth reboot, and realizing that getting organized doesn't start with making your bed in the morning. It doesn't mean getting rid of a certain number of things every day, clearing off your floor or your desk, or spending a lot of money at the Container Store. Getting organized is about figuring out who you are and what you want, and then deciding what's going to get you there. What do you need around you? What environment do you need to create in order to do your work in the world that we all need you to do? So maybe you need to make your bed in the morning, and maybe you don't. But what you need to do is figure out who you are.